In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize email with Outlook folders. A clean folder structure makes it faster to find messages and saves you time, so we'll walk through creating folders, moving messages, setting simple rules to automate filing, and using favorites for quick access. First, create the folders you'll use. In the folder pane on the left, right-click your account name or your inbox and choose New Folder. Type a clear name like Work, Receipts, or Projects, then press Enter. If you want a subfolder, say, inside Projects, right-click the parent folder, such as Inbox or the project folder you just made, choose New, and name the subfolder. Keep names short and consistent, and think about folders you check daily versus ones you only reference occasionally. A simple plan helps you stay organized without overcomplicating your setup. Next, move emails where they belong. The quickest method is drag and drop. Select one message, or hold Ctrl while you click to select multiple messages, then drag them into the destination folder in the left pane. If you prefer buttons, select a message, choose the Move to button on the toolbar, and pick the folder from the list. This is great when the folder is buried and dragging would be tricky. Confirm the message count updates in the destination folder so you know the move worked. As you tidy up, you'll start to see your inbox shrink and your folders reflect the topics you actually work on. Now let's automate filing with rules. Start from a message you want to file automatically. Right-click the email, point to Rules, and choose Always Move Messages from this sender. Select the destination folder if it doesn't exist yet, click New to create it, then click OK. From now on, Outlook will place new messages from that sender straight into the folder you chose, reducing inbox clutter and keeping related messages together. Repeat this for newsletters, receipts, or team updates. If you're unsure, start with one or two reliable senders and expand as you get comfortable. Finally, speed up access with favorites. In the folder list, right-click any frequently used folder and select Add to Favorites, or simply drag the folder into the Favorites section at the top. To keep your top shortcuts in the best order, right-click inside Favorites and use Move Up or Move Down to arrange them. This doesn't change where the folders live, it just creates quick links you can reach without scrolling. That's it. Thanks for watching.